Dante. You can find Dante receiver adjustments in the I/O setup menu under the Input Setup tab. You will find the Dante outputs adjustments in the same menu, but under the Digital Output Setup tab. Remember that Dante is included in VIDA series from factory, and Dante outputs transmit an already existing signal in the device. Let's have a closer look. You will find in the routing menu, under the Digital tab, the Dante outputs. You can assign a different signal for each and every output, and you can make some adjustments with the switches. The best way to understand this is to make some examples. Let's see some of them. We have assigned to the first output source 1, and we have activated the post fader switch. This means that the fader of that source will affect also to the digital output. In the second output, we have selected auxiliary output 1 post fader. So we will have the same output and levels as we have in auxiliary output 1. In the third output, we have selected amplified output 1 as well, but pre-fader and post-DSP. This means it will have the same processing as the amplified output 1, but the level of the amplified output will not affect to the digital output 3. The last example is for digital output 4, that we have assigned auxiliary output 2 pre-fader and pre-DSP. This means that we will have what's immediately after the matrix, but with no processing. As you can see, there is a lot of flexibility to decide what you want to send to the network and opens possibilities of making your system bigger, being a VIDA device the main control. It's important to remember in this chapter that you will find the network settings of the Dante port in the Settings menu under the Network tab. Beware that the Dante signals are available only in Net2 port. If you work with Dante, you should remember as well that the devices should be named, and there are some rules you need to consider. You will find this information in the Settings menu under the Device tab. In the network, all the Dante signals are controlled by Dante Controller software. You will find the software in the Audinate website, and if you are not familiar with Dante, you should take the online course as well before facing any installation.